Take a walk on the wild side with an earthy mix of jaspers, agate, and more. Gemstone varieties include leopard skin, brown zebra, red rainbow, and African turquoise jasper, plus Z agate beads and mahogany obsidian. Accents include giraffe, lion, and elephant motifs, plus a selection of sparkling crystals and high-quality findings. Welcome back to the bead table, and today we got our bargain bead box for the month of May. Now, this month's theme is Serengeti Safari, and I'm super excited about it. Let's dive right into the bag and see all of the goodies that we have for this box. And I can already tell you that I love it. I don't even have to look at everything to know that I just love the colors. I love everything already. I love animal prints. I love earth colors. I love everything that is in this box. I can see that I love because it's just earth tones, earth tones, earth tones. And you get this little pop of color here and there. So I'm just super excited. So we're just going to run through everything that is in this box. And to give you an idea of what we have, the retail value for this shipment is $90.81. And we are getting all of these things right here, 19 items for $24.99. So let's dive in. First, we have 8mm brown zebra jasper round beads, 15-inch strand that retails for $7.99. And let me get one of my trays ready because I know we're going to need it. But let's just look at the beauty that is this jasper. Wow. Look at the markings on those beads. Absolutely stunning. And they're polished really nicely. It's almost like a caramel sundae, like a vanilla ice cream with like chocolate and caramel drizzled all over. That's what it reminds me of. Always taking it back to the food, I know. Next, let's look at our pendant. A 39mm leopard skin jasper teardrop pendant that retails for $5.99. Wow. That is absolutely incredible. Greens, some grays. That is really, really pretty. I love that. Let's just keep these right here as we go. These are Z beads, 8mm agate, black and white round Z beads, 7.5-inch strand for $8.99 retail value. Look at that. Those are so cool. Now I have a couple other different kinds of Z beads that I'm most definitely going to incorporate. As a matter of fact, I have one right here. You can just see how cool they are with the different designs on them. I'm not going to use this one, but that's going to go really well with this whole box. Oh, I'm excited. Next, we have mahogany obsidian tumbled nugget beads, 7.5 inches, retails for $4.99. Look at the rich color on that. Wow. What I'm noticing about this box is that all of these stones are just luxurious. They just say luxury to me, like they're just beautiful. That is stunning. 10mm zebra jasper faceted coin beads on a 4 3/4 inch strand, $5.99 retail value. Look how pretty those are. Wow. Lots of browns, lots of caramel, lots of deep greens, that mahogany. And when you add this next item, 7 to 8mm red rainbow jasper in an English cut faceted round bead, 7 inches, $5.99 retail. Look at the pop of color that this brings. And look how cool some of the striations. Oh, this one's got like a swirl on it. I love that. How gorgeous. So if you have any red jasper, which I do, and then you get to add these greens with the 4x2mm African turquoise dyed jasper Hishi beads on a 7.5-inch strand, retail $5.99. And this brings another pop of color that is gorgeous. Look at that. We've got 10mm leopard skin jasper round beads on a 5-inch strand, retailing for $3.99. And those are gorgeous. Again, it kind of reminds me of rhyolite or unakite in a way with these colors. Look at this. Look, those leopard spots are gorgeous. Now you can see why they call it leopard jasper. But those are insane. Beautiful. Leopard skin jasper tumbled nugget beads on a 7.5-inch strand, $4.99 retail value. And they're beautiful. I love the size of these. That's like perfect. Look at the banding. Wow. Next we have some 4.5mm crystals, faceted triangle beads in Safari Mix on a 15-inch strand, and this one retails for $4.99. And those are gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. And then I love these. These are 6x4mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in champagne shimmer, 7.5 inches, $2.99 retail. This is one of my favorite colors, and it's just like a neutral, but that sparkle. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Put that one down here. And now for some fun things. These are 2 pieces of 20mm freshwater pearl shell links with an elephant pattern. They retail for $2.99. Those are cool. I've been seeing a lot of these come out with the different types of animals and stuff etched into them, or with that gold, and they are stunning. Then these are so cute. I love these. These are 2 pieces of 14x11mm handmade porcelain elephant beads in ivory, $2.99 retail. Look how precious those are. That is so cute. Definitely going to make earrings with those. Those are so much fun. And then we have our findings. So the first thing that we get is this really nice 38x35mm 18 karat gold plated stainless steel giraffe pendant that retails for $3.99. And look at the detail on that. You've got the baby giraffe, the mama giraffe. It's definitely a theme for Mother's Day. It would make a great necklace for Mother's Day. So that is really, really cute. Then we get 2 pieces of 14x5mm 18 karat gold plated brass giraffe charms. Retails for $2.99, and those are precious. They're so tiny and cute. We get 2 pieces of the 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lobster claw clasps. Retails for $2.99. Very nice clasps. Very nice. Then we have 13x11mm 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lion head bead, and that retails for $2.99. Ooh, that's got some good weight to it. And this reminds me, I had a teacher in 7th or 8th grade that had a ring with a lion's head on it. And that's what I just totally thought of that when I looked at it. But that is really cool. And it's drilled through the side. Then we get 20 pieces, 7mm textured bicone spacer beads, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, $2.99 retail. And these are so cool because look at the design detail on there. Those are really nice. A meter of 3 by 2 millimeter stainless steel cable chain that retails for $4.99. And I love this chain. This is really sturdy looking. I love that. This is going to be gorgeous. I'm going to snap a picture of this so that I can put it on the video. I'm really excited about this. I hope you like this unboxing, and we're going to dive into I think I'm going to make earrings, so stay tuned for those. We're going to make some cute earrings with these little elephants. I will see you there. Be right back. Okay, we are back, and I could not resist the elephant. It is too cute. I decided to go kind of like a black, white, and red theme almost, except we're not exactly white. We've got some of the tan color that's on the Z bead. We've got this almost buttery color glaze on the elephant. And then I did a pop of red with that really pretty jasper. And so let's piece these together because these are absolutely adorable. So the first thing I'm going to grab actually is going to be my piece of red jasper. I just want to show you the markings on this because it's really pretty. It's that red speckled in black, a little bit of white. And I'm going to take this ball pin and stick it through so that the red jasper is just sitting like that. And that's all we're going to put on this. So I'm going to grab my flush cutters and I'm going to make a loop with my round nose pliers on this jasper. Just like this. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to squeeze my loop together like that. So now we have this really cute little dangle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to our eye pin that's going to be the totem portion of our earring. So I'm going to open up a jump ring. This is a 4mm jump ring. I'm going to put the charm on and then put it on the eye pin and close it up. Like that. Make sure we're nice and even. So now we have a little charm that is hanging from our eye pin. And you also want to make sure on your eye pin that you close up any gap that might be there so that your little charm stays on. Then we're going to take the eye pin and put on the elephant like that. And it really comes down all the way. So that's really cute to me because you don't really see the eye pin. You just see this little dangle charm, which I really like. Then we're going to take one of our gold rondelle beads and put that on top of the elephant, followed by a Z bead like that, which I really love those beads. And then the other rondelle. And I'm not going to actually snip this one. I'm just going to make a loop like that and close up the gap. And that's it. And you get this really cute little earring. So I'm going to take another jump ring. This is the one that came with the earring hook, and attach the totem. Put the hook on, and then I'm going to close it up. Elegant and safari and cute all rolled into one. I really hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing and this cute idea for an earring using those elephant beads and the Z beads. And I'm going to really dive into this box, so I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.